What's up guys, welcome to the Internet Mola. In today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix YouTube app in your Samsung TV if it's not working. So as you guys can see, when I open YouTube app, that's what I see and nothing's happened. So for me to fix that, the first thing that I'm gonna do, I'm gonna unplug the TV from the the power outlet and see what's gonna happen. So let's try that, the first thing. So as you guys can see, I'm gonna wait for 20 seconds and then I'm gonna plug the power again and see if this reset, if there are like any errors in the TV. If it's not, we're gonna jump to the second method that we can use. So I'm gonna plug the TV again now. So let's see what's gonna happen now. The first thing, click on the setting button in your remote controller, just so we can see if the TV is connected to Wi-Fi before we open the app. So go up, and then check Wi-Fi, and as you guys can see, it's connected to Wi-Fi. So I'm just gonna open YouTube app now and see if we can open the app without any issues. And as you guys can see, I was able to resolve the issue without any problem. So that's it for this video. If you like it, share with your friends, subscribe to our YouTube channel to get more tutorials, and thanks for watching this video. Bye.